we're taking a closer look into the abortion pill mifepristone. As we told you at the top of this newscast, it could be off store shelves by Friday unless a court stops a judge's orders from taking effect. Welcome back. I'm Marcella Lee.
I'm Carlo Cicchetto. The Department of Justice filed an appeal after a Texas judge's ruling suspended the FDA's longtime approval of the abortion pill. CBS 8's Jesse Pagan is here with how this leaves the pill's future in limbo across the country and here in California. Jesse.
The Texas judge's ruling suspending mifepristone's FDA approval is now going against a Washington judge's ruling blocking any changes to the pill's availability in 17 states. The dueling cases could reach the Supreme Court for a final decision. But in the meantime, the state of California is preparing for the possibility it will have to dispense the abortion pill itself. The abortion pill mifepristone is now in the middle of a game of tug-of-war with dueling rulings from two judges. Friday, a Texas judge, a Trump appointee, ruled the FDA improperly approved mifepristone 23 years ago, saying it ignored, quote, legitimate safety concerns about the drug.
We think that the judge totally got it right. The FDA has to go back. It has to be transparent with the public about the studies that it relied on to make its decisions, and it's got to follow the science.
The Department of Justice is appealing the ruling, writing, quote, if allowed to take effect, the court's order would thwart FDA's scientific judgment and severely harm women, particularly those for whom mifepristone is a medical or practical necessity.
If the decision stands, it will put women's health at risk and undermine the FDA's ability to ensure patients have access to safe and effective medications when they need them the most.
A federal judge in Washington, an Obama appointee, blocked any changes to mifepristone's availability to the public in 17 states and the District of Columbia, where Democrats sued. As the cases duke it out in the legal system, California is preparing for either ruling's win.
We will, regardless of how this turns out, we will have the pill available.
Democratic State Senator Nancy Skinner, chair of the Legislative Women's Caucus, says California has been stockpiling medication. While Governor Gavin Newsom admits the 2 million doses of misoprostol, a different abortion pill the state has, are not the preferred option, he says it's still safe and effective. And Skinner says if Texas's ruling blocking dispensing of the pill goes through, the state will figure it out.
We are still working out. We may have our own means to be able to distribute, and we will work that out.
Meantime, the head of California Family Council, an anti-abortion organization, reacted to the news today. California is stockpiling abortion pills. In a statement, he said, quote, California again proves the only choice they care about is abortion. Marcella?